Hi, I'm Connie from Promotion by the River, and today I am going to share with you the April Sew Sampler box, and they are celebrating 10 years with this box. I've only been doing it off and on a couple of years, but it's always a lot of fun. This one is called Summer Sunset, and they are celebrating 10 years of doing this, and they're bringing out 12 patterns out of the vault, older patterns that they'll share with us. So this is pretty cool. There is a free pattern on the back of here, Charm Pack Chips and Dip, that I can find for myself, and then some special codes for some deals, special service, some really good deals. You can get a jelly roll book with a $60 order. And this is just something for anyone who has bought the box. Okay, let's look and see what's in here. Pretty cool. And I think right off the bat, you always get your little book. Shows you what's in here, talks about what's in here. And I think the first thing I want to share is this. I think this is so cool. I love these little things. I use them to keep my, sorry for the noise, my seam rippers, scissors, different things in. And I like it. This is taller than normal. Normally they're shorter. So I will put this to good use. And this is the Sew Sampler 10-year Mega Stash and Store. And the value is $14.98. And like I said, this is great for keeping seam rippers. What else do I keep in there? Seam rippers, tweezers, my scissors, things like that. Great to have. Okay, let's see. The fabric. Look at this. This time there are 3 charm packs. That is a lot of fabric. It's called Honeyed Horizon by Carrie and Guerrero, Catching Stitches. Gotta open them up. Like I said, there are 3 charm packs. That is a lot of fabric. The value, let me see, let's read on that. Fabric, the value is $37.44. So that makes everything else like free that you're getting in this box. It's beautiful. It's got peaches, yellows, greens. I'll probably open the one and kind of go through it so you can see it. Very pretty. Those are neat. Alphabetties, specialty marking tools. These are just the little, I've got alphabetties. These are blue. I've got white, red and white ones. The value on these is $7.48. And these really come in handy, especially when you're working on a pattern with a lot of different pieces. And so you can like put A on this one and clip it on with a clippy. So these are always fun to have. There is also Pretty Pockets, Sewing Machine, Caddy, Quilt As You Go. And this is to make a quilted, it's a Quilt As You Go kit. It doesn't include the fabric. It just includes the stabilizer, the printed stabilizer for you to make this. And the value on this is $12.98. Pretty cute. Looks like this might be a little pocket. I'm not sure. But, so that's from AccuQuilt. Then there's the patterns. You have, I know there was another one. You have Honeysuckle. Honeysuckle is the quilt that is using all the fabrics in this one. It's really cute. It's a 47 by 47 quilt, not a real big one. And the only thing else that I would need would be 2 yards of background, sassing, and border, and 5/8 of a yard of binding. The value of this is $9.98. There's also a cute little sticker that you can take off, put on something. And I think I saw that the value of that's $2.98. Here is a pattern from the vault called Winding Path. Finishes at 42 by 42. Looks like a cute pattern. And then we are starting a new quilt one. This one I'm going to take part in. And I'm going to use, I've got a lot of Lori Holt fabrics, so I think that's what I'm going to use. This is block number 1. It's called Ring Around the Rosy block. It's going to be 9.5 by 9.5. And this is sponsored by Moda. And they're using fabrics by Bunny Hill, petals and polka dots. But I'm going to go through, I'm going to use my Lori Holt's fabrics that are in my stash. The value of this is $4.98. So this month is just, it's an awesome sew sampler. I'm sure it's because of the 10-year anniversary, but to get this much fabric, wow, that's really great. So you'll have to keep watching and see what I make with all of this. So thank you very much, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks.